But it's also important to think about, well, can these communities make money with these forests? Is there a way that they can make some money? Because what happens if they're not able to make any money is that a lot of times these are poor communities. They don't have any other source of income. If they can't make money from the forest as it is, they might decide, well, we need to cut down the forest and plant corn so that we can sell the corn. And in that case, then they would have lost the forest forever, right? And we know it's important to keep the forest as forest, so in order for that to happen, they need to make money. So what are some ways that people make money from forests? What do you think? By selling wood? By selling fruits? Okay. Fruits, okay. Get wool from a sheep. Maybe you let some animals go browse in the forest. Okay, last one. Medicine. So maybe some plants have medicinal properties. Okay, so we went and we kind of studied the community forests in Mexico. There's almost 1,000 communities that own forests in Mexico. And some of them, they cut some trees to sell wood and make money that way. The important thing is they're not just cutting the trees and then putting houses where those trees were. They're letting the forest come back. So they're either replanting trees back out there, or they're giving the forest enough time to regenerate. So they are able to make money, but still keep the forest as forest. Some of the communities, they'll take those trees that they've cut and they'll make boards to build houses or furniture. And some of the communities will have tourism. So this would be like a nice cabin where you could go and go horseback riding, go out into the woods. So we wanted to know if they're actually making money, or if they're spending more money to get this set up than they're actually making. And so we brought in a group of experts to come up with a survey questionnaire, which is where you go out and you ask people questions to find out how they're doing. So we brought in this group of experts and then came up with a survey questionnaire, and we sent a team of surveyors out to the communities, and they talked to the communities about what they're doing. And we found out that, yes, these community forests, in addition to being sustainable and in addition to protecting their forests, they're also making money. Okay, so they are protecting forests and making money at the same time. But the problem is that the costs of them to do this, the money that they have to pay to get it set up is very high when you compare to other forests around the world. So they're vulnerable. There's a possibility that other wood producers from other parts of the world could come in and try to sell their wood in Mexico. So far, that hasn't happened, so the communities are doing well. But we're trying to help the communities in Mexico to become more efficient, to use their money better in investments so that they can make more money and spend less money.